And to all of you who are here today, some of you who live close and some of you have traveled from other side of the world, thank you from the bottom of our hearts. It means so much and I'm so touched I can barely speak.
Good morning everyone from my little corner of the world here almost near Sollefteå. I am going to work actually, but on my way to work I will stop to Jonna Jinton's shop because she's opening it today, and I don't think I can meet her because I need to be at work at 11 and she's opening at 10 and right now is 9:30. But exciting times. We have so many people in town from other countries. It's so cool and fun, and I want to go and see what all the hype is about. And I've been to her shop many times and I've met her many times. Living here is much easier just to go and see her. But yeah, let's see how people are hyped and what are we waiting for. It is 9:48 and the perks of living in this town of Sollefteå is that I live close by, but it's kind of counted as I live here as well, is that I know where to stop, where to park my car, and I'm walking and it's like a 5-minute walk, so hopefully we can walk to there. I don't know how to cross the street, no idea, but it's right there. I'm gonna show you. It's right down there. Now we're gonna cross here and we're gonna go down to all the people. We are going. It is right there on the other side. Am I excited? I'm a little excited. Yeah. There's so many people. It's gonna be a little awkward to film as well, but we'll see. Wow, titta. Wow. The queue is like up to the back. Imagine how many people are here. And then she said the first 100. No, how are you gonna do the first 100? No way.
For the first 150.
It's a shame if you're number 151.
Number 7.
I mean, I don't know what a exclusive spot is this one.
This is the royal box.
Yeah, absolutely. So cool. You're so beautiful. Yeah. Don't worry, it's gonna be great. Don't worry. It's gonna be fine.
Have you been to look at the queue?
No, don't. That's like once in a lifetime
Yeah.
experiences and
Yeah,
opportunities in our little town. Yeah. We need a sign for. Yeah. Oh, the people. Oh, the people. Woohoo! Where are you from?
I'm from England, down at Brighton.
Brighton.
Right on the south coast.
Yeah. Where are you from? From Sollefteå. Oh, you're from Sollefteå. So cool. Yeah. But did you come specifically to see?
Yes, my
the opening?
girlfriend's come here, so I've just been the travel coordinator.
Yes.
Yeah.
Is she somewhere in the queue?
Yeah, she's number 6 or 7.
Wow.
Yeah.
Well,
Yeah,
good
so
luck.
I've had a very disturbed night's sleep.
Oh wow. Oh, no night's sleep.
No night's sleep. Yeah.
Oh, that's so cool. Yeah. People sleeping here. It's almost 10.
Well, do you hear me all right? All the way in the back? Yay, good. Warm welcome here to Sollefteå and this day of celebration. How are you doing? Yeah. This is amazing. I'm so happy to see so many people of you. My name is Sandra, and I'm going to be here all day with you guys outside with my colleagues. So feel free to grab us. We have like crew badges. If you have any questions at all, I'm going to start with just some information. Who is one of the representatives from the Sollefteå municipality? Welcome.
I'll just peek and I'll keep my spot.
Hello everyone. It's marvelous to stand here and say hello to Jonna. I'm the vice chair of the municipality. My English is not so good, but
It's fine.
municipality board in Sollefteå. Today is a very happy day. We welcome Jonna. Hello, can you come?
Oh, I need to be there.
Hey. We are so proud to have you here, and we wish you good luck with your shop.
Jonna's whole team coming up here. They've done a great job, so give them a warm hand of applause. Yeah. Jonna, do you want to say some words to all the fantastic people here?
Wow. It's hard to find the words. First of all, thank you Sollefteå municipality for your kind words and for supporting us. It means so much. And to all of you who are here today, some of you who live close and some of you have traveled from other side of the world. Thank you from the bottom of our hearts. It means so much and I'm so touched I can barely speak. I feel so much gratitude. And yeah.
You're great!
I love you. We love you. And we have been working on this store for the past 2 years, and none of this would have been possible without these amazing people that I'm so lucky to work with. My team, my family, my friends, and all the skilled craftsmen that have been building and shaping this place. So yeah, I'm just so full of gratitude to everyone. And we are so excited to get to meet you all, hopefully today. There are so many. It's crazy, but we are so happy and I hope you can enjoy the day outside here and that you will have a really good experience in the store. Yeah. So
Yeah.
Thank you everyone.
Thank you!
And to make sure it's a real celebration, we need to cut the ribbon, right? All right. Do we need like a big applause or? Yeah, perfect. Well, then you guys are gonna head inside and meet all of the wonderful people. And if you have any questions at all, please feel free to grab us and we'll help you out through the day. Thank you.
Oh, that was amazing! So cool! Teen from Denmark, number 1, walking in the shop. Do we know number 2?
No, I don't know number 2.
Okay, we don't know number 2. Number 3.
There's Joe.
I don't know where to sit, to stand. This is it! And yeah, people have come from all over the world to do that and to be here and to find their little bag from Jonna Jinton's shop. There's a food place, and this is the whole queue. And in we go again. Everything is dark blue. I have to go to work, so I'm going up back to the car. I'll be back here at 3, 4 maybe. I don't know, I'll try to be here after work. But yeah, once in a lifetime experiences in our little town of Sollefteå. And I'll see you later, guys. Hey! Men ska vi?
Ja, jag vet inte.
Ja, men varför?
Ja, jag var klar med jobbet.
Har du varit där?
Nej.
Nej, första gången? Okej.
Jag var där igår.
Ja, du var där. Ah, ja.
Upp grejer.
I saw.
Men nu är jag klar med jobbet.
Yes. Jag är klar med jobbet också.
Ja, du filmar hela tiden.
Va? What?
Ta en video hela tiden nu.
Ja?
Ja.
I need to record how we're going to Jonna Jinton's shop.
Oh, yeah,
Without.
It's not the plan that I go to.
No, but it's fine. You found me, so now we go.
Oh.
No, you can't cross like that.
Yeah, we can.
No, you
It's
can't.
Sweden.
No, you can't.
It's
You need to.
Sollefteå, it's
No,
possible.
you need to skip the walking, whatever they're called,
Nej.
crossing paths.
Nej.
Korsningen.
Oh.
Korsningen.
Voetgangerspad.
Trottoar.
Ja. Toilet.
Oh. Jag kan inte. I can't do it in bulgariska.
Nej,
Vänta.
jag kan inte.
Trottoar är samma ord.
Ja.
Men
Det är franska ord.
det är franska. Ja.
Ja.
Trottoar.
Samma som toalett.
Det är som toalett. Toalett är alla språkord.
Ja.
Ja. Oh, this guy's gonna hit us. I mean, yeah, it's completely different. There's no people up to there now. And let's see if we can actually go inside the shop. There's probably more queue. There is a queue, but maybe we can't go. Let me just have a little peek from here. Yeah. She is outside. I'm gonna talk to her. No, I can't talk to her. There's so many people still. Maybe another day. Nej. Hej! I can't really go in because there is still a lot of people and there's copyrighted music, so I can't really do that. But another day, maybe tomorrow. It is raining and I really tried to go again after my work. It's now almost 4, it's like 3:34 in the afternoon, but yeah, I can't. So I'll see if I can come tomorrow or the next day and yeah and see if we can meet her for the channel. But for now, this was it from today. I will see you another time. Yeah, hejdå och vi ses. And I like to say greetings from the north, from the cold chilly north.
And to all of you who are here today, some of you who live close and some of you have traveled from other side of the world, thank you from the bottom of our hearts. It means so much and I'm so touched I can barely speak.